boys and dolls, this is your mom, Ruby, celebrating my birthday. Don't ask my age, that's not allowed, that is a taboo. Let me spend my birthday quietly. Well, I'm sharing it with you. So here now, some of my gifts are here. My husband told me not to touch this. She's been, doing something in her room, in the other room, and told me not to go there. I don't know why. So, okay, let's start opening the gifts. I don't know what are these. This really intrigues me because the shape, they're all the same shape. I don't know why. Anyone who wants a guess? Oh, heck about the guess. Let's open it. Look at me, King Arthur. What are you been doing? Let's do this first. Handshake gift. I can see it. He told me that this is my favorite. He is correct. This is my favorite. A papaya. Can you imagine my husband giving me a birthday present? Birthday present is papaya. It looks like they are all the same because they got the same size and shape. What is he doing? He's making a joke to his beautiful wife. And look at that. Twins are born in December. It's another papaya. You must be laughing while doing this. Papaya. Anyway, I really love them. They are very expensive here in England, so that's why I think he bought me those. Another one, it looks like papaya again. It means he told me I love you. Three means I love you. So that's it. 3 papaya. He bought me as my birthday present. Making a joke to his wife. I don't know why. Yoo-hoo! 3 papaya. Now. Yoo-hoo! Yoo-hoo! Yay! My darling, I love you. Okay, she loves me. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Okay, leave that there now. Oh, he told me there's something in it. Oh, there's some money. He gave me 30 pounds. Thank you, King Arthur. Alright, let's put them there. That's my birthday present. Some more birthday present coming up. What is this? Oh, opium. Opium perfume. Yoo-hoo! It's an opium perfume. Wow. YSL. I love it. Mwah. Perfume from Yves Saint Laurent. And how about this one? What is this? I don't think this is papaya. Oh, it's a shoes, rubber shoes. It's a Jordan, Nike. Oh, look at that, Jordan Nike. Beautiful, sparkle. And this one? You as well? Oh, someone gave this to me from a friend. We'll open that later. Yoo-hoo! Birthday present. And how about this? Are you telling me what is this? You told me to open this, the light one, the last one. What is this, my darling? Give me a hint. Give me a hint. Give me a hint. Shall I drop it? No, you said no. Okay, let's open it, guys. What's the verdict? Oh, Mamma Mia! This is the best of the best. Yoo-hoo! Yoo-hoo! Is this the one that I was thinking of? That I pointed to you, I gave you a hint. It looks like it is. Yoo-hoo! Luxury has landed. Luxury has landed. Oh, I already have some like this years ago, but my daughter loves it, so I gave it to her. Now this is different. This is Cartier dos Santos. Pwede makabili ng 6 o 7 tricycle nito. Yoo-hoo! King Arthur, I love you. Yoo-hoo! Luxury is London. Cartier dos Santos. Look at that. Naku po, this is included. I need to read this. That's part of the brochure. Oh my God, it's too heavy. Beautiful. I lost one like that 10 years ago, but now I got another one. Yoo-hoo! Luxurious London! Yoo-hoo! Beautiful. This is automatic, no? It's not? Oh, look at that. Does it look good in my hands? Yoo-hoo! Thank you very much, King Arthur. Mwah. Thank you.